Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Number 589.
FamilyMath589. So we are doing a project on Grant Sanderson's latest video. You remember what it was called?
It's like finding patterns, finding pi and prime numbers.
Finding pi and prime numbers. And it turns out, amazingly, we've actually done a project very similar to this before based on Chapter 8 of this book, Ingenuity in Mathematics. And Chapter 8 was about writing a number as a sum of two squares. So I'll link that project in the blog post. So we watched the first 10 minutes of Grant's video today. What did you see in it? What do you remember?
Well, he was basically he was trying to find another way to count the number of lattice points in a given circle with a radius and inside that's centered around the origin.
Yep, so he was trying to count the number of lattice points in a circle. And actually, rather than drawing that, I'll show you from Chapter 8. There's our circle, and there's the lattice points. So it was a similar idea there. All right, what are some other things that you remember from this video?
Well, so he was trying to look at this and trying to look at how to do this. He looked in the complex plane.
Ah, okay. So somehow complex numbers came in. All right. And is there anything else you remember from our first 10 minutes? Sorry, that thundering herd in the background are our cats running all over the place.
So he found a way to accomplish this, or at least start it. He was looking at the circles with radius, the square roots of integers.
Ah,
He was
okay.
looking how many lattice points they hit. He was looking for a pattern.
Yeah, okay, very good. So he's, when he's trying to count the lattice points in a circle, he's looking at circles of radius 0, 1, square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 4, all the way up. And he made a short list of some of those, the counts for the number of lattice points that hit these circles. Do you remember anything about those counts?
Well, it seemed like they were either 0, 4, 8. They're mostly 4s and 8s and 0s.
Okay. Yeah.
There's one, but that was just the circle of radius 0.
Right.
And there was also he also found that if you're looking at these lattice points that hit, it's the number of ways that you can represent this number as a sum of two squares.
That's right. That's right. So he was trying to find all the different ways that you could write a specific n as a sum of two squares.
Yeah.
Okay. So good. We're going to talk about lots of those problems now. All right.
Yeah.